Introduction to AWS S3 Bucket. So what is this? I have opened here already, as you can see, and yeah, let's just take a look. So what is a Amazon AWS S3 Bucket? What is it? So it's basically this is the old logo here of S3. Today looks like some kind of difference. So S3 Bucket. It doesn't look like this anymore. This is the old. It's green now. Let me see. Yeah, it's looking like this now. This green icon. So what is it? It is simple storage. Do you want to just pump your files somewhere, just like like my videos here? You want to just bump anything on your you can do it. You can do it just in S3 bucket, and it's very cost effective. So you should definitely try to do it for learning. So just create your AWS account and then create some bucket here. You just need to open S3 on the top, and then as you see, scalable storage in the cloud. So it's kind of similar to Google Cloud Storage if you want to use Google Drive or something. But here you can really and as vanish with those opportunities to engage it into your AWS ecosystem or to use API and so on and so forth. So bucket name is like Amazon S3 demo, and it must be. So if I use this name, I think it will give me probably. So let me just go to the bottom, create bucket. Yeah, bucket with name already exists. So we have to give some individuality. So yeah, this is basically all of the basic usual bucket settings. So most of the times you would not use bucket. Versioning is used for CI/CD pipelining and so on and so forth. And yeah, you should use server-side encryption. Bucket key is enabled or disabled here. So this is if you use key storing, key management. But yeah, for easy things, just click on the create button, and then you see here Amazon S3 demo. And if we want to upload something to this bucket, we can do by this upload file here. So we can upload MP4 file, for example, from my videos, or we can upload here a Python script. I'm not so sure about Python script, but let's just add it to txt and upload it as well. So yeah, you see here it's uploading right now, and yeah, I think we can create another upload for this. It's the same way. So Amazon S3 demo, and yeah, copy inside and upload. So this is basically it, and yeah, you can close here, and you will see in a minute or in a second you will see the other stuff. So if we have this now, we can connect to this using super many integrations. So AWS S3 is like integratable uh, until the end of the world. You can use it from API, you can use it through some kind of connectors from your database and so on and so forth. So you can use it for Microsoft services, you can use it for Google, you can use it from your so even some ETL flow for data, right? But in general, you can for this tutorial you can delete it again, and because you cannot delete bucket if there is some data inside. Yeah, you have to empty it before. So empty bucket, you have to permanently delete, and then afterwards you can exit and then you can delete it. And now you have to click here confirm deletion with the actual name of the bucket, and you delete, and now it's gone. So I hope this intro to bucket is kind of really understandable for newcomer, but it should be. So it's basically just dumping files. And yeah, connecting to it, I've done some other video about that if you are interested. but in general, this is intro, and I hope you get along with all of your project, and goodbye.